Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I'm here with a new project today. I'm excited to get started on this. I am going to do a double waterfall journal. So I'll show you how I put this together. I might not do the whole process of putting this together. I don't know. We'll see. So, but we'll put it together, get it sewn together, and start decorating it. I'm just feeling a little need for some Tim Holtz in my life. So here we go. Let's say hi and hugs to Jennifer, Gladys, Shannon, and Julie. Thank you so much for watching and your kind comments. Okay. So first of all, I want to show you my inspiration for this was this gorgeous journal my friend Juanette, Juanette's Crafting Corner, made at the retreat we had in July. And it is, as you can see, it is a sort of, I guess, original type of waterfall journal. And it's just so fun. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, but I was thinking I could do a double. And it's about the same size as Juanette's. I will have shown this in my Etsy share, so I'm not going to go through the whole thing. But I just wanted to acknowledge Juanette for getting me going. Yep, she got the wheels a-turning, she did. So here's what I did. I have 5 pieces of 12 by 12 paper. So, I mean, it doesn't have to be Tim Holtz, obviously, but whatever paper you want to use, you need 5 of them. Then, let me move that over. Then what we're going to do is cut it in half. So at 6. So then we'll have 2 6 by 12 pieces. So we're going to do that for all these papers real quick like. And then I'll show you the scoring, which is sort of the main thing. So, and I think this works great with these 6 by 6 ones that are in a Tim Holtz paper pack too. So I did just kind of using up some of my thises and that's in the Tim Holtz. Okay, so now we've cut our 5 12 by 12s in half at 6. So we have 10 pieces of paper, if I'm doing my math correctly. I think I am. So what I did was I started, first thing I did is I looked and decided what did I want on the front cover. So we're going to be looking at this side, and we just need to decide what would be fun on the front cover. This one could be fun. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with that one. So I'm going to save it aside for a second. Okay, now hopefully I can remember how I did this. So first things first, the middle piece, this is the very middle of your journal, is going to be scored at 6. So we'll start there, okay? 6. Then what I'm going to do is I am going to then decrease the score line starting at 6 by 1/4 of an inch down the line. I think that's how I did it. We'll find out. Okay, so 1/4. Okay, so now I've got, okay, wait a sec. Wait a second. I need this to go the other way. So I'm actually going to go up this way. Sorry about that. So see how that then is, you know, is a different look. Okay, so I started at 6 with the first one, quarter here. So now I'm at 6.5. Just doing another quarter. And I'm going to fold it, and it's going to go there. I hope I'm doing this right. I don't know if I am. We're going to see. Let's just keep going. Okay, so then we're at 6 3/4, right? Okay, 6 3/4. Okay. And then we're at 7. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So that's the back part of the signature. So the front part, okay, so cut them in half, score the middle at 6. Then for this part, we're going to increase by 1/4 of an inch all the way up here like that. We're just going to go 1/4 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch. Now, if my thinking is right, now, yes, now we're going to decrease by 1/4 of an inch. I think that's right. Okay, well, we'll see what we get if we decrease now. Because I want the double is what I want. So that's what I'm going for. Let's see. Let's use a different piece here. Okay, so now we're at 5.5. The last one was 5 3/4, 5.5. Is that right? No. Why is that the same? Did I do it wrong? Okay, so it's going out that way. Okay. Okay, we're going to just score these. Let's do this thing. Let's just do it. So that one was 5.5, right? I'm sorry, I'm so confused. Okay, so these. Yeah, that was 5.5. So I'm going to go 5 1/4. I don't know. I might have to flip these around and see what we're doing here. Okay. Let's see. I can't remember from one to the next where my score line was. 5 3/4, 5.5, 5 1/4. So now we're going to go 5 like that. I wanted this one on the front. So I'm going to do it at about 7.5. So I'm not sure I'm doing this right, but you get the idea. You know, work with it a little bit and see what you get. Okay, so that's basically what Juanette's was like, right? Like this. So doing the double, I have to look at this. Doing the double, how did I manage that? Okay, so then the smaller end, Okay, that's how I did it. Okay. So the bigger end is that way. And then in the middle here, okay, we're just going to flip these because, is that right? Yeah. Okay, so then on this end, yes, on this end, sorry, I did them backwards. I mean, I should have scored the other side, but that's okay. Then we're going to make it stack on this end too. So I feel like the main thing you need to know, oops, is that right? Nope. I need this one there. That's what I need. And this one there. And the middle. That did not come out quite right. Bumbling crafter strikes again. So weird. Why am I not? Okay, because these two need to be flipped around. That's why. Yes. And then that one. But the 6-inch. Okay, so that sort of is right. I don't know. I don't remember how I did this, guys. So much for the tutorial part of this. This is just me being the bumbling crafter. But see how it waterfalls there and waterfalls there? I just don't remember how I did it. Should probably start this video over. But I'm not going to. I'm just going to go with it. But basically, the note I wrote myself says to do the 6x6 one, and then the 8 on the 8 of the cover, the 8 pieces of paper for the cover decrease by 1/4 of an inch. That's all I said to myself. And I did it a while ago, so obviously I didn't really remember what I was doing. But I don't care. This will be fine. This will be cute too. Let's see. So, how many do I have there? 5 there. This is a tumbling waterfall journal because it doesn't go necessarily in the straight order. Yeah, that one has to be there, right? Nope. I don't know, peeps. So this is not a tutorial. This is me decorating a new journal. That's what this is. Okay, it's not a tutorial, will not be in the title of this journal. So I put some clamps on it to squish it down because it was pretty, it was pretty bulky. So because it's got 1, 3, 6, 9. I mean, it's got a lot. Oh, because I didn't do 6x6. That's why. Somewhere there's a 6x6, but okay, I get it. Well, we're gonna look and see if we can make this work better. I don't know if we can. So I don't have a one that is just 1/4 of an inch more than that. I don't know. Put it away, Gail. It's driving you crazy, so put it away. But I will make a journal out of that one too. It just will be a different sort of journal than this one. Interesting. Okay, well, whatever. Let's bind it. So one of the things I want to do, because I loved it on Juanette's, is can you see the edges are all roughed up? She's used her little Tim Holtz Distress Edge tool and roughed it up. So I'll do that too, but I'll probably do it off camera. So, okay. Well, kids, that was disastrous, wasn't it? Mike said, "Are you sure you want to do a video?" Because I told him I was a little tired. I don't know. I had a luncheon today and stuff, and I'm like, no, I can do a video. I have a project I want to get started on. Well, note to self: listen to your husband. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I know how to bind a journal, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Goodness. And, yeah. I'm still baffled by why my little note of change up the thingamajiggies by 1/4 of an inch didn't work, but it didn't. So what I'm going to say to that is just experiment. I mean, you'll get something fun, irregardless of it's perfectly whatever, perfectly waterfall-y. All right. That's thick. That's real thick. So I'm not sure. I think I might have to wiggle the awl a little bit and make those a little bit bigger. So I don't know that this will be a start to finish or anything like that, but I just wanted to get a start. So let's see. It's back here. Yeah. Goodness, nothing like flip-flopping around for 15 minutes. I'm sorry, guys. But you know what? That's the reality of it. Sometimes things don't just work perfectly, and that's the way it goes. But we'll make something out of that other one. We'll make a different journal out of that other one. I mean, worst case scenario, if you goober it up like I did, you've got Tim Holtz paper to use for scraps for days. So I think I was saying in yesterday's video, which I filmed this morning, that I had my first YWCA board thing. I had a luncheon, and oh my goodness, you guys, I don't know if it says robust other places, but what an incredible organization that we have here in little old Helena, Montana. It's amazing. Really such a safety net for women. It's really cool. Real proud to be a part of it. So that was fun, and it was cool because a couple of the gals at the luncheon were my oldest daughter's pals in school going through. So that was fun to see them. Okay, so there we go. There's my book. There's that book. Well, we'll deal with the other one later. I'll try and figure it out off camera, but I just don't think I scored it the same. as this one. So let's get rid of our binding stuff. Get that out of our way. Okay. Whew. So there we are. I'm just going to show you on a page what I'm going to do with this, which is just go along and rough up the pages a bit. That works. And it holds, it then holds the distress ink better, and it just looks a little grungier. So see how that kind of flips up and makes it fun. So anyways, I'll do all that off of camera. Can do that this weekend. And I think I want to do vintage photo on this. I don't think I want to go darker. Let's just see. Yeah, I think sometimes you just can't beat the vintage photo, you know? Yeah, that's nice. And then, or the other thing I could do is I could scrape the pages as I go too, I suppose. Okay, so the other thing I want to do is put something down the spine, which don't know exactly what. Do I want lace? I know what lace might be nice. Let's see how this looks on there. To just wrap around there. Yeah, why not? Oh my goodness, so I am feeling tired. I don't know what my deal is. I slept really good last night, so it's not that. Okay, right out there. I need to clip that off a little. Okay, so now I am going to glue that on. We'll just go like that. Just kind of go right there. Yeah. So I hope your day's going well. It's hot here again, yet again. But, you know, it is summer. It's to be expected. Yeah, I kind of, here and there through the retreat, I was able to pop over to Juanette's table and see what she was up to. But then she put the journal on her Etsy, and I'm like, I need to have it. I watched it being made, and it's so inspiring. I'm just gonna grab it. So I did. So thank you, Juanette. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. I want to think about what I want on the front. Let's see. I'll show you what Juanette did. She just did a fun little, like a collage on hers. I love that. I'm thinking maybe of something a little more robust. What do I have here? This was from For the Love of Paper Company. And I just want to see if anything here. Yeah, those are too tall. This will fit the book, but not on the... And that's really cute, but I don't think it's what I want. Maybe I do. I don't know. Let's see in my stuff that I've made ahead of time. I mean, obviously those aren't going to work. But see what else is over here. Ooh. That's some of that wax paper. Let's see what's in here. I love this, but I don't know that I want it on the front. I have this little thing. That's cute. Okay, so so far that's a pocket, that's a pocket, that's a pocket. That's something else. Okay, cool. Well, we found it. We found it. I think that little cluster will be fun on there. So I'm just going to work on Timmy Holtz things and try and do this journal with lots of Tim Holtz. And I don't know, I think I kind of want it to be masculine too. I am going to just get this little piece glued down a little bit because it wants to shift. There we go. Okay. So that's exciting. We have a cover done. I was thinking about going through my ephemera boxes to see what else might be usable in this journal. The size is a little different. So like those tags, you know, I don't know that they're going to work. So I kind of want something under that. I just decided. Let's put this under it. Kind of a hot mess today, aren't I, guys? I don't know. I mean, truly, is everyone right on their game every day? I don't think so. So, forgive me for my lapse today. I love this stuff for this. This is from Triple V Vintage, this bit of, I think it's called Ossenberg or something like that. Of course, the glue dried already, because that's what art glitter glue does. But yes, I want that underneath there. Yay. Okay. Well, we did that. And I have these things to decorate with. Plus, I'm thinking, like on those longer sheets, stuff like this will work, you know. That could be a pocket even. So, okay, so those things will work. Well, so far, so good. I'm loving it so far. Let's look into my other ephemera and see what else we think will work. Okay. So masculine and, you know, Tim Holtz-ish is what I'm looking for here. So So that's not going to cut it. This could go. That's cute. No, those flowers, no, no, no. And I have a lot of people who say they love looking through my pre-made ephemera. I could maybe add a little something to that. It's from Catered Paper. I could maybe add a little something to that. That's going to be a maybe. This is really cute. Oh, it's a guy. I was going to say, but it's a little couple. But this one's a guy. This girl won't work. That's what I was thinking. Okay. I'm just going to stack this stuff because once I get done with the journal, then I just put it all, I just kind of put it all back for later. These are all flowery Tim Holtz, these ones. So I don't think so. And this one, that's a maybe. That's just a maybe. We just did that the other day. Okay. These are all girls. That's a birdie. Girls. Too big anyways. That could possibly like be a pocket on a bigger page. I'm gonna take those out for a definite maybe. Okay. I think that's it for pockets. That's all we have for pockets. Okay. Let's look at the tags. No, like these I just did, but they're little girls and or nature. Not gonna work. Ooh, that's a good fall one. I'm gonna toss that with my fall stuff. Oh, I should have looked through those at the same time for fall. That could maybe be fall, huh? Not that one. This one though. I'm just going to throw those aside. These are cute. This mushroom one could be fall. Well, I'm finding all sorts of fall stuff. I'm not finding any guys. All right, well, it's all right. Okay. Ooh, there's one. That's cute. There's a woodpecker. That could be fall too. All right. Birds and things. Okay. Got a feeling we're going to be making a lot of things for this. I kind of went back and forth, you guys. Should I do this journal that's burning a hole in my soul? Or should I finish up some unfinished stuff? And I'm like, I just want to play with this stuff. That's what I want to do. That could be fall. Set that over there. Yeah, so I gave in to myself and just decided that could be good. And these two could be good. Maybe. I don't know if they'll fit. But we'll get all the possibilities with the journal and go from there. Okay, no. Okay, cool. Let's get the big box. big box, which, heavens to Betsy, is big. Okay, so we've got a few things here. I'm going to just set them over on my tray here. And then, let's see. All of this stuff maybe could work. It's just little, like, little things like this. Like, you know, that could go on a page. Like as a pocket or something. I think I'm going to keep that out. See what else is in here. I mean, that little bag's right at the front of my ephemera, so I think we'll know that that could work. There's a little envelope that could work. Okay, mostly flat, flowery stuff in the envelope area. Okay, journal cards. Do we? Oh, this cute one. That little guy, he could go. So we'll keep him. This is cute. That could. Not those two. That's a maybe. Coming across a few little Tim Holtz ones, but they have little girls on them. So that's not going to work. Let's see here. That little guy could maybe go. See, so even if you're not making a masculine journal, you can always, oh, that's cool, but it's a good lady. Maybe I have some of those without. You know, you can still make stuff up that's got guys on it, because then when you're ready, there's one, you've got it, you know. Ooh, here's a good fall journal card. I'll show you that one. Yeah. Okay. All right. That could be fall too, couldn't it? I think. Okay, so that's the journal cards. Then I've got double journal cards, and again, I have a bunch of, you know, ephemera that's been distressed and stuff that I could stick in a pocket, so I just have to remember that's there. Here's a little dude. Oh, he's cute. I don't know, that might be too big, but that little guy's cute. Okay. Now sacks. I don't think I have any sacks that are, this one would be good for fall though. Pull that out for fall. So then when we're putting together the journal kits for my retreat, we don't have to go back through anything, do we? Oh boy, what's that? Got some here to look at. Those are little girls. This one's cute though. But let's check. This is an Ode to Timmy set, so. Oh my goodness, come on. You know me and cellophane, we do not get along. Okay, this is from Triple V Vintage. So I'm going to grab him out. This one is beautiful too, but not for this journal. Okay, let's just check these out and see for a second. I guess they're supposed to stick, but goodness, I feel like they really do kind of go overboard with their stickiness. Okay, that's a woman too, so I'll take that one out just in case. Okay. All right, so that's that for sacks. Then we don't need a belly band because that'd be too big anyhow. Just kind of looking through the miscellaneous stuff here. That one might. That's real thick, so I don't know, but definitely going to have to tie this up as Veronica, no, Juanette did, because that's supposed to go around a page, but I mean, I guess it doesn't matter if things stick out the front. That's a maybe. What's this? Nope. Okay. That looks to be about... That's a good one. That looks to be about it, though, guys. Okay, cool. Well, that's done then. We've got a good bit to work with, don't we? Okay, so that's happy. All of that. And we have all of this, too. So we have about, what do we have? About, oh, we've got like 15 minutes. So shall we play a little? Let's do it. Oh my gosh, so fun. All right, so this guy like could go over a page. So like, how far in does this go? Like that. I think I would put that on as a pocket here and a pocket back there. I think I would. Okay, so I only have to distress a little bit of this one. Should have my bowl, otherwise I'm gonna have crumbs everywhere, aren't I? It's probably easier to distress your edges before you put your book together, but when have I been known to do things the easy way? Obviously, since the beginning of this video was a disaster. But I appreciate you all. You always say, it's okay, we make mistakes too. Okay. And really, Juanette has a decoration on every page. So I think, oh, I guess I don't need to put that away. I think this will be an ongoing project for a little while. Okay, let's just, but I mean, I have a lot to work with here, so who knows, maybe we'll get her done. I think I have a piece of paper from doing that in my lung. There we go. Perfect. Oh, this is so fun. I've been wanting to do this, and I was like, I was trying to decide whether to do this project over on Patreon or And then I have another project I want to do. I was flip-flopping which way to go. I decided to do this over here because a lot of people have, you know, have fun Tim Holtz stuff. Isn't that so cute? I was thinking, could this be a pocket and flip open like that? This is very plain, so I think that's a good place for that. I'm just randomly going, guys. I'm not planning this out in the least. Anyway, so I decided to do this one over here, and then my other one is an altered book, and so I think I'll do that over there. I do have videos here on YouTube too about altered books. This has just been one that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and I just, other things have gotten into the way of me doing it, and so I just thought, you know what, if I commit to doing it on Patreon, I'll get it done and quit pushing it, you know, to the back burner kind of. So that's what's happening there. Whilst I'm on that subject, welcome and thank you so much to all the new Patreon patrons. So nice of you guys to support me in that way. I just appreciate it because it means I get to do what I love doing, and here and on Patreon, you know, it's double the fun, double the pleasure, double the fun. And gosh, I think I'm over 80 videos over there now. I haven't looked at the count lately, but I would think I'd be about there. So I'm going to have a little, one of my project trays for this project and the project tray for that project, and just kind of bounce back and forth in between. And then, you know, on my, what I kind of think of them as theme days, like Forgotten Friends Friday and those kind of, yes, I love that. On those days, maybe I'll be making something for one or the others of these. And I have a whole nother one of these now to make too, because not that I'll probably won't do it right after, right with this or right after, but once I figure out its layout, jeezy peasy. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a double waterfall journal. Not. Let's just play with some Tim Holtz paper, okay? Let's do that. My pin is not going in. Oh, there we go. And so this can be a little pocket for something, which would be fun. See, I think this is going to be too big. Yep, not going to be able to use that. Oh, this one's close, but we can use that one. Okay, so this one's going to go back in the pre-made ephemera spot. Yeah, so I don't know if I have something that can go in there. I have this fun journal card. It's kind of fun. Might put something there too at some point. Okay, where should we put him? Let's find a page that's about his width. That'd be kind of cool. I mean, there he is there. Ooh, I kind of like that with this on the other page. Let's do that. Do I want to put it on as a side? I don't, because I want the edges to show. Okay, to think about that. Yeah, I guess it's kind of distress as we go, isn't it? It's kind of fun to take out your frustrations on the paper. I have seen these kind of tools in, like, I don't know what you call it, like a generic brand too, not just Tim Holtz, but I happen to have the Timmy one. I think I have another one too, but I don't know where it is at the moment. Okay. All right. I could do this all day. I'm going to have to watch. We're just about out of time, but we'll get this little sack on here. We'll get that done. So working in a double waterfall journal and attempting to make one, but as you can see, I mean, it was fine the way it was. So it's not like it has to be perfect, right? We're not here for perfect. Just decide. I do think I'm going to put it on so that something can go here, because I have to remember there needs to be journaling spaces. So and that side. Okay. I'm not doing my usual hold it on the side that's open, so like that. Okie dokie. So we got our waterfall journal a-going. It's a-going. Super fun. So we got our fun little thing on the front. We've got a pocket here and a pocket back here. And we have our little sack that we'll get something in, and we have this little page. So that's it for today. Again, I apologize for all the bumbling at the front, but I'll work on this and see if I can get it to turn out. and if I do, I'll show it to you the next time we work in this journal. How about? So thanks everybody so much for crafting with me. I so appreciate you, and I just hope you have a grateful day, and we will just see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.